What are you working on?
On different colors.
Different colors? So you have a crayon that's red and green and blue, and you're coloring it the right color?
A different color.
Okay, let me see. All right, show me. Oh, I see. Very nice. That's very good. Okay, good job, Logan. Nia, what are you working on?
I'm putting stickers on.
Oh, you're putting stickers on your bird? Nice. Very nice. Can you look at me for a second and smile? Just a little one? The baby smile? Does Corbin have a baby smile? What are you working on, Corbin? A car?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
I did it!
Yeah, you did. Good job, Logan.
Okay, I think this is it. Is this it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a big one!
Mm-hmm.
That's the other one.
Good job.
Here's the
We can watch this in a minute if you want. Watch yourself. That's a really funny face, dude. That's a really funny face.
I'm also
Silly Corbin. Silly Corbin. Okay, let's see what Nia's doing here. Silly Corbin. Nia, what are your stickers that you're putting on? What color are they? Yeah, they're paper ones? What are they? What color are they?
They're beautiful.
They're beautiful. Beautiful stickers. Good. We like beautiful stickers, don't we? And does your bird like the stickers you're putting on?
Yeah.
What's the bird's name? Does he have a name, your bird?
His name is Beak. Look at the
His name is Beats?
No, Beak.
Beak. Beak. Gotcha. Yeah, that makes
No,
sense.
he's coming on my picture.
Okay. All right, we can move this box.
I need to stop.
Okay, come over here and we'll